Hello there. Hope everyone's well. Yesterday, this was recorded yesterday on Saturday the 11th of November. Went back down to Bramley-moore to take a look at the new stadium build and just give you a little update of where it's up to, what it's looking like and stuff like that. If you do like content like this, you can subscribe to our channel, leave a message on the comment section below, like and share the video with your family and friends. You can also follow us on Instagram. The Instagram handle is on your screen right now. So yeah, the reason we've come back so soon is because the last update was hampered by the wind. It was nice and sunny and calm on Saturday the 11th, so took an opportunity to come down and have a proper good look around. I think this is actually the longest video I've ever done here. Like 12.5 minutes, yeah. So, lots and lots of seats. If you haven't seen them, we are going to take a look at them. There's been a lot more seats installed since we done that nighttime video under the lights, we called it, I think, something like that. As you can see there, we will zoom in on that in a moment. Saturday, not many people there. There was one person working that I could see, which you will see a little later on in the video. He's just round the other side. As you can see, a lot of seats have been installed, which is good to see. The low sun and the shadow of the roof now that is there, and it's all complete and all like so. We can't actually see inside properly anymore when the sun's shining. But you know, it's all good. Just with the progress of the stadium and stuff like that. So, what else is new? We are gonna get above the Mersey. This is the first time that we've ever actually fully flowing around the site. So, look forward to that. So just we're getting into position for the next shot. Everton, what's going on? We're not used to all these wins and team playing well and stuff like that. I actually posted in a Facebook group last night where all the Sean Dyche hate is going, which is probably a little bit petulant, but I think he is what Everton needs at this moment and for the time being. There's a real difference in the squad. There's a real difference in the way they're playing. It feels like it's a unit again. We're moving there, so there's more seats there. Just on that section there for banks of seats, and because it's 4 sections of seats installed there in the upwards here. Yeah, it's just like when Frank Lampard was in charge, Everton was very passive, but they're on the front foot. I'm sure the early goals we've got in the past couple of games have helped, but they don't seem to panic anymore. Passes are starting to actually find other Everton players. So let me on, they still do lose possession now and again, but nowhere near as much as they used to. And Garner Gay getting his first goal back since returning. Great little finish as well. It's all good to see. hopefully it will continue long into the season. Okay, so these stairs are still being installed. Well, they're still being built at the moment. They're not being installed, are they? So, and I'm guessing these black metal, steel, iron, whatever they are, I think they be steel, won't they? They're going to be the support for the actual platform going in to the stadium there. So just here now, I was just by the Titanic Hotel when I was recording this. We've just had to chop this up a little bit because I started losing signal with the drone. So that's when the shot changes a little bit, because we spent like 2.5 minutes up there and the drone was just like, it was on its way back to me. It was like, no, stay where you are. We haven't finished. So someone commented on the previous video we done on, I think it was Thursday, we put it out, just saying, why have you got a drone if you can't fly all the way around the stadium? So this one's for you. And then I can't fly all the way around the stadium. It was just obviously the weather's been awful the past couple of weeks, and especially when you're across the Mersey, it's completely open. There's no buildings at all to stop the flow of the wind if it's a windy day. So my little drone I've got, which is a Mini 2, just doesn't stand a chance of it, which is why we always try and keep off the Mersey on the windy days. So now I've cleared that up. Let's go in. So it looks like they fitted these 2 rows of glass panels in. They are glass panels. I've checked with someone. I actually know someone on the site who's actually one of the workers. So Eddie, and I'm unsure of now. He's probably getting sick of me. I'll message him going, hey, what's this? What's this called? What's that? So they are actually glass panels, or it's being confirmed. It looks a bit thing, that's just with the, I think it's just wet from all the rain they had. And absolutely battered down in Liverpool on Friday night. So that will just be from that. I don't even know what time. I think it was about midday, 1 o'clock. We recorded this. I think. Not sure, but yeah, it was about midday. So it was a lovely day. Thinking, obviously when the reef gets covered more and more and more, we as droners are going to see less and less and less, which inside, which is it's a bit of a shame. But obviously, we as an Evertonian, we all want to complete, don't we? So it's just part of the process, really, isn't it? They are covering the roof daily by the looks of it, because every time I come down, there's more done. So that is a work in progress there with that. Right, we're going to show you this. I'm going to show you this guy who's, I'm sure he's not there on his own, but he was the only person I've seen the whole time I was flying around. He's actually up on, it might be a Jimmy Pigger. We'll have a look now. Yeah, so there you go. There's a full fly round of the site, the stadium. We are just getting in position to look at this guy. I did see a photo of the stadium, like this time last year and this time this year. And it is amazing how far it's come in a year. I'll try and find it, and I'll post it onto my community feed when I've had it. There he is. And he's just on his own, just working away. I mean, from a safety point of view, I'm sure there's somebody else there on site. But it was just like, he's just there and getting some overtime in or something. But it's good to see, isn't it? He wants to get it finished, mate. He wants to be at that first Premier League game, doesn't he? So that is how it's looking at the moment. There's all sorts of materials all over the ground space, waiting patiently to be fitted on. But yeah, thanks for watching. That is the Bramley-moore Stadium as it was looking. Well, as of today as well, because no one was there doing work. It just looks a bit wetter today because it's absolutely battering down in Liverpool again with rain, which is the reason I went and recorded this yesterday, because I knew, well, the weather said it was going to be nice, so I took the opportunity to go and get it done. Maybe like Wednesday, looking maybe Wednesday for the next one, maybe Wednesday, Thursday time. We'll see how the week goes, see what the weather's like. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, Blues, because I will with that win yesterday. Go on, take care, and we will see you very soon.